In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Bible app for Android. We will use the official YouVersion Bible app with audio, so by the end you will have it ready to use. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Look for the multicolor play triangle icon, usually on your home screen or in the app drawer. When it opens, you should see the Play Store home with a search bar at the top and different app suggestions below. Make sure you are connected to the internet, since the app download needs mobile data or Wi-Fi. Now, tap on the search bar at the top of the Play Store screen. Type the words YouVersion Bible app and audio. As you type, you may see suggestions appear under the search bar. When you finish typing, tap the search button on your keyboard. You should now see a list of apps related to Bible and audio on the screen. From there, look carefully through the search results and find the app named YouVersion Bible app and audio. There may be many similar Bible apps, so focus on the full name. The correct app icon usually shows a brown Bible with the words Holy Bible on it. Many beginners tap the first result too fast, so take a second and match both the name and the icon on your screen. After you find the right app, check that the developer is life.church. You will see the developer name directly under the app title on the Play Store page. Verifying the developer name helps you avoid unofficial copies that might show ads or behave differently. If it says life.church, you are looking at the trusted official YouVersion app. Once you have confirmed it is the correct app, tap the Install button. The button sits on the right side of the app page, under the icon and name. After you tap it, the Play Store will start downloading the app files, then automatically install them. You will see a progress circle and a percentage, and the install button will change to a cancel or pause style label while it works. When installation finishes, the install button will change to an open button. Tap open to launch the YouVersion Bible app for the first time. The app splash screen will appear, then the main welcome page will load. At this point, the app is fully installed on your phone, and a new icon will also be added to your app list so you can open it later without using the Play Store. With the app now open, you can sign in or create a YouVersion account, or use the app without an account. If you sign in, your reading plans and highlights can sync between devices. If you skip sign in, you can still read the Bible and listen to audio on this phone. You can always create an account later from the app menu. You have now downloaded and opened the official YouVersion Bible app on your Android phone, ready for reading and audio listening. If this helped you get the Bible app running, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.